Hello everyone, this is John from the Art of Finance. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing good. And we are afternoon of 4th of November. We are with you. Today's topic will be three charts. As always, one of them is US oil, the other one euro dollar, and the other one is USD Japanese Yen. How these instruments are reacting, we will talk about them. Before we start, I just want to give you some update on economic news. And first of all, today we have received balance of trade in US, and that one is really catastrophic. I can just say this because it's quite normal. It's $80 billion deficit in trade balance, and this is the highest. Last month it was $73 billion. It was the highest already, and this month it has just recorded another deficit. If we just think like this, if we just think in this case, Trump is kind of getting right. He was saying that China is stealing jobs and manufacturing capability of US, and we will just see the effect soon. I think he was right because at this point it seems that he is getting right. And we have seen jobless claim benefits, and it is lowest since the start of pandemic. So that means for the last four jobless claims, each one has decreased from each other the previous one. That means we can just expect lower unemployment rate tomorrow on non-farm payroll data. But I'm not saying the same thing. I'm not saying bad or good, but we cannot estimate how much people just got new job in non-farm payroll, because the previous two was disappointing, but this time maybe they don't want to disappoint the market, and then we may see higher levels. Just one more thing supporting this idea is coronavirus that's in US, because people were really fear of that one. Just imagine you're in a country, it's the most developed, but at the same time, and in the world, half of the new deaths is from your country. It was like this in the third wave of pandemic, and then we were having a lot of we are witnessing a lot of deaths in US. So people got fear of that one. People just got afraid of these cases until now, because the high vaccination in US, people just felt safe, and then they just felt, oh yeah, it's not that much people are dying, so recovering people are more than new cases. Then the tide is turning right now, so I can get back to work. This may be the idea. So because of this reason, we may see higher level of employment tomorrow data. All right, as I said, continuous jobless claims less in the last 4 weeks, and if we see that one as well, if we see a high employed people number as well, then it will be really good data for dollar index. Then we can expect dollar index go up and euro dollar go down further. We will just speak about that one on the other chart. All right, let's start the charts. We are on the chart of crude oil. As you can see here, there is a channel here. We have spoken about this one, and as long as in this channel and US oil just gone up until here, until 27th of October, that trend is just get worse, and dissolve it, and then after that one we have seen that it's not going any further. It just tried lower, another hike, but that trend line, if we had seen on 1st of November the price goes higher than 84 spot prices, by the way, this one 84 $85, then we could say that all right, trend is reshaping right now, but it didn't happen. From that point it was rejected, and just in 2 days it has tested 79 and 80 levels. It has happened in just 2 days, and that is $4 drop. Today everybody is expecting OPEC Plus members, they will just stick to plan of increase only 400,000 barrel. If that happens, then we will see another hike. But US, in the last 1 month, 3 or 4 times we have heard from Biden that OPEC Plus countries should make a move to ease these production cuts. We have heard of this one. Maybe not to make upset these big brothers, US, UK as well, the same thing. We may see something like 600,000 production. Then it will just help oil to stay in this area, because higher oil prices makes EV prices and EV electric charging prices so much better. It looks so much better in short term. They may get a lot of money, but in real term, in long term, they may lose a lot. So they have to make a balance, and this will be good for them, in my opinion. So as I said, if you see something higher than 400,000 in production, we will just see some price hike. If we don't if we just see that 400,000, it will just go high. If we see more than $400,000, it will just go less on this price. That level, that support area, $80 area support line is working right now. This is not the first time. Here. Whenever it gets down, this level is working good, and this time also another crash can be stopped in here. But if it just gets persistent on sell-off, then we may see a sell-off until to 76 area. Please just be cautious about this one. All right, let's look at on euro dollar. We are on euro dollar and it's not going well. Reason, because dollar index is just getting momentum. In spite of all the negative data in US, people are just spending that much, and then people are just trying to make the market up and then dollar index up. That's why we see that dollar index is gaining valuation, and euro is losing value until that time. So as you can see here, 115.29 is the critical period, and until then it can just go down, and from that point we are expecting a rebound, and from that point we can just go up. But tomorrow, non-farm payroll data, if it just both of them again comes good, people who got hired, and also at the same time unemployment rate, then we can test lower areas than 115. Even we can see 114. Please just be cautious on trading euro dollar. I know it's safe haven, but at the same time it may be riskier on that one. Tomorrow's data is so critical. We will just wait and see on that data. Let's look at USD Japanese Yen. Alright, USD Japanese Yen just get into a tight angle, tight range, and it's just moving in that channel. Let's look at it from the mid of October for the last 20 days. It's just going back and forward, back and forward. It's not going down any further, and Japanese Prime Minister is just expecting to go down, actually, like a Japanese yen to get some more valuation, like something like 110, but it's not happening right now. So what we can expect is one. As I said, tomorrow is important day. If we see a high rate, low unemployment rate and high employment people rate, then we will see this one goes higher as well on USD Japanese Yen. We will see that one. Please just trade cautiously on these currency pair as well. Let me just show you a place for you. Let me just this one. All right. I just wanted to show this line. All right, this is my FIBO level, but it is not just getting closer to that support area. It is just returning from 113 and 0.40 from that area. As you can see here, it's just getting a reaction on rebound. It's not FIBO level, as I said, but still it is working similar to a FIBO level, and it's reacting like that. So this is important. This trend can be rebound on 113 and 40 area again on upside. All right, thank you so much. We will be together on more news tomorrow morning with intraday analysis. Have a nice and good day.